If you want to start using Revolut, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. To upgrade Revolut plan, on the left upper corner, click your profile, and as you can see, on the right upper corner, there's an upgrade button. Click on it, and here you will see different plans that Revolut offers. Revolut has a Ultra, Metal, Premium, and Plus. For the Ultra costs £45 for 3 months and £55 for unparalleled access. As you scroll, you can see the details of the Ultra plan. Now, for the Metal plan costs £14.99 per month. As you can see here, the features for Metal and the benefits every day. Let's go ahead to Premium. As you can see, Premium offers 1 month free, then £7.99 per month. As you scroll down, you can see the features of Premium and the benefits of it. And for the last one, let's go ahead to Plus. Plus offers £3.99 per month. As you scroll down, you can see the features and the benefits every day for a Plus plan. And that's it. That's how you upgrade Revolut plan. Just click on the button on each plan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.